this is video number 2 in my series on how we made things for my daughter's first birthday party. It was a princess party. The colors I went with are pink and gold. And this will be the video explaining how we did her happy birthday banner. So I don't think that I actually got a picture of it when it was finished, which is really disappointing. So I'll have to just show you what I did get. I got all of my supplies at Hobby Lobby. So I'll show you, this is where I got the paper. If you're looking for it, there's the number. And I thought it was just so pretty, so sparkly. My daughter really liked it too. She got excited and started laughing when she saw it, which was adorable. So I am blessed to have a Cricut Air Explorer. And that is the machine that I use to make everything. So first I designed the banner on the computer, and then I'll show you as I cut it out and put it together. It wasn't as big as I was originally planning because I found a template that was free in the Cricut store, which helped very much. So I wasn't having to do every little piece by myself. So I ended up going with a smaller size. And I found this really cute font in the Cricut store, which has like little ovals, as you can see, in the letters with a little crown on it. And so that's what I used, and I just had it cut out of the banner template that I found. So here are the pieces you should be left with after you get everything cut out. We have our front side with the little oval cut out. We have our back side, which is just the plain gold. We have our pink. This is our folded paper that we're going to glue the gold onto. There's our letters. That's how it looks when you use the little font that I got. We're going to set those to the side. Not going to use them on this project. Then you have the little letter cutouts. That's what we are going to use. And we're also going to use the tiny little crowns to put on top of the letters. So the first thing that you'll want to do after you get all your supplies organized is put your letters in order. I thought that would make things a little bit easier just to work on one letter at a time and make sure also that I didn't lose anything. Sometimes when you're cutting out pieces from the Cricut that are small like this, it's easy to lose a piece and then you don't realize until later. And actually that happened to me when I was working on this. I lost one of the little crowns and I had to cut out a new letter just to get that crown. So very important to look and make sure you have everything. So I'm going to scoot all that up, and then we're going to get to work on making this banner. So first you'll want to take your little folded paper. So we'll just apply some tape and then stick it on and try to get it as centered as possible. Flip it on over to the back, and then you're going to put your plain gold on there as well. That way it looks great from both sides. There are two ways that you can use this banner. You can hang it up on a string, which is what I chose to do, or you can even just prop it up on a table. And so by doing the back, it'll look good from either side. Now you're going to get your little letter and your little crown, and you're going to set it up inside of that oval cutout, however you think looks best, and tape those on. And afterwards, you've got one letter done. And that's it. Really simple, really easy, and it looks so cute. I know that this is different than our normal dog content, but I'm glad that you decided to watch.